Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the complete test pattern for IBM. As you all are aware that currently the online test for IBM are going on for the role of associate system engineer, and if you have also got the test link, so you must be worried about what kind of questions will be there and how many coding questions will be there, what all are the different rounds will be there in the process. So all these details we are going to discuss in this entire video. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel to receive more such videos, and we regularly upload off-campus drives as well as interview preparation related videos on our channel. So if you have not checked that videos, please make sure to check that too. Let's start with the video now. So in this video we are going to cover all the details, that is the latest exam pattern, selection process, number of coding questions and number of interview rounds. Now the main thing here is the exam pattern is different, but actually these days the coding questions and the pattern the students are getting is different. So we are also going to discuss that also in the video. So first of all, in the IBM, how many test rounds are there? First of all, there is an online test, then happens a technical interview, and then the HR interview. Okay, so only basically you can say that two rounds will be there. One will be of your online test, in which you will be asked different kinds of questions, and after that you will have an interview. In that one single interview only your technical as well as HR will be covered, and there are some cases where the technical and the HR interviews happen in two different rounds. So one notice there that every round is an elimination round. So if you do not qualify the online test, then you can get eliminated, and even if you do not clarify the technical interview, then also there are chances that you can get eliminated. So every round is an elimination round. So online test will have these sections, that is, first of all it will have cognitive ability. So from cognitive ability you will get 6 to 7 questions, and for this you will get 30 minutes of time to solve these questions. Next is English language test. For this you have 10 questions, for which you will get 10 minutes in order to solve the questions. Then we have learning ability test. So 50 questions of learning ability you will get, and you will have 30 minutes in order to solve these questions. So moving ahead, now the coding questions. So coding questions, so total number of coding questions will be 1. The time that you will be getting in order to solve the questions will be 30 minutes, and the cutoff for the coding round will be 60%. So you also have to keep this in mind. Level of difficulty will be moderate, so you have to practice beforehand. So 5 to 6 multiple choice questions are also coming, which will be based on your DBMS, OOPS, operating systems and programming logics. So such kinds of multiple choice questions you will be getting. Now let's see the platforms where you have to perform the coding rounds. So coding questions will be performed on HackerRank platform, and coding questions based on strings and arrays are very much popular in IBM test, but it can be on any topic, as it is not fixed that it will only be on these topics. Now main things to note is, so we have seen that online tests will have all these rounds, right? But recently these days the test pattern that the students are getting, in that they are only getting one single coding question, and they have to solve that coding question, and they are not getting any other parts. That is, they are not even getting the MCQs questions, they are not getting the questions from cognitive ability or learning ability. So it totally depends on the company that how they want to schedule your test. Even though the standard test pattern is this, that is, the test should have cognitive ability questions, English language test questions and learning ability questions, but as I already said, these days the test pattern in which the questions that students are getting is only one coding question and nothing else. So the most important thing is to qualify this test is you have to clear the test cases of the coding question. So some points that you need to take care of for clearing the test cases of the coding question is, don't do the hard coding, that even if you are not getting something, try to build the logic and try to execute the code. If you think that even after all the hit and trials, even if you even at the last you are not able to solve the question, then you can hard code it. Hard coding means you can simply write if else condition and you can simply print your outputs. In that case maybe 4 to 5 of the test cases will pass for you, but that is a very rare chance that you will get selected, because majorly the compilers will check all the test cases and it will catch if you have hard coded your answers. So please make a note of it. And as already discussed, these days the questions that students are getting is based on only coding questions, so please prepare coding questions thoroughly. And if you want me to prepare some videos on coding questions of IBM, then please let me know in the comment section and I will be bringing that videos also. So now let's see the details of the interview. So once you clear your online test, that is your coding question and other parts, so you will get the further notifications on your email. If you get shortlisted, you will get the further rounds details on your email. So next round will be your interview. So in majority of the cases, the interview will be in single round only. In that there will be 2 interviewers, that is one for the technical round and one for the HR round. There are many cases in which the interviews will be in 2 rounds, that is one round will only be specific to technical round. You will be asked technical questions based on different topics, and the other will be based on HR round. But in many cases it will be in a common round only, that is single round. So some topics, if you have to prepare for your interview, the main topics are data structures. These topics are for technical rounds: data structures, algorithm, DBMS, operating system, networking, OOPS concepts, and programming language of your choice. As when you will give the introduction in the interview, they will be asking you what is your preference of programming language. So based on the answer that you give, they will ask you the questions based on that. And the next is HR related questions. So these HR related questions will be asked to you in the HR round. So we have discussed mainly all the points that needs to be covered for the IBM test pattern. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section and we will be guiding you through it. If you want me to make videos related to IBM coding questions, then please let me know in the comment section and I will bringing that videos too. I will be trying to solve I will take a particular question and we will solve it on the go, and you will get to know that how you have to solve it if you will get the coding questions in the interview, and how you can get the maximum test cases passed. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. And thanks for watching and all the best for your upcoming IBM test.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.